Billy Joel wrote this one, right?
Off the first record.